you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Pooja and it feels so great to be back here recording this video for you guys. It's been a millennium that we have met and I feel like I owe you guys an explanation why I was MIA. I had to take an involuntary break due to some personal reason. It is too early for me to talk about it, but when the time is right, I will let you guys know. Coming back to the video, I wanted to do this for a long time and I'm super excited about it, and I'm doing a huge H&M haul. Please bear with me guys because this is my first time doing any haul and I'm hoping that I will be able to explain to you clearly how the outfit and the fabric is. This haul consists of a lot of basics from H&M basics range and a few winter wear because I bought them around 1 or 2 months back and that time it was cold here in Bangalore. Now some of them are from H&M's website, some of them are from Myntra, and I also went to H&M store a couple of times. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new updates from me. If you want to see how I'm gonna style these clothes, then I will be posting some of the pictures on Instagram and some of the makeup looks as IGTV. So make sure you also follow me on Instagram. I will put the link in my description and I will also mention it here on the screen. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. In no particular order, this is the first Please. In no particular order, this is the first piece of clothing. This is a very beautiful lavender colored hoodie. And I have been on a lookout for this color for the longest time. I'm in the size XL and it runs a little oversized on my body. The fabric is quite good for the money you're paying and the inner lining has a fleece-like feel, which makes it very comfortable and cozy. I have worn it on the coldest days in Bangalore, which is not a lot, but it did keep me warm and comfortable. In fact, it was that comfortable, I almost didn't feel like taking this off. Second up, I have this beautiful solid burgundy A-line dress and it's in the size XL. I got this for 899 rupees. I got this dress mainly because I didn't have anything in this color. Secondly, this color complements my skin tone really well, and thirdly, I just love the way it fits me. Some dresses just have that kind of fit, if you know what I'm talking about. This has a round modest neck and it falls slightly above my knees, which makes it extremely comfortable for daily wear. Another thing about this dress is that it has 2 pockets, one on each side. Now personally, I'm not bothered if my dresses don't have pockets, but I know some of you guys would consider that a plus. The only thing which I didn't like about the dress are the deep armholes. You guys can see how big they are. So if that concerns you, you can wear a tube or a camisole underneath and you're good to go. Next up is this solid black v-neck jumper in the size XL. This is very loose fitted and that's why it is a very comfortable and breathable piece. However, the fabric is a little see-through and I think you can clearly see my face through it. I had actually ordered this jumper in 2 colors, one beige and one black, but the beige one turned out to be a little more see-through than this one, so I had to return it. Also, the weaving of the top is little delicate, so you have to be very careful when you are wearing it around pointed objects. When I wore it for the first time, I somehow managed to pull out this thread and it's just hanging there. I can't do anything about this. I feel there are a lot of ways in which you can style this basic v-neck jumper. You can simply tuck it in your high-waisted jeans and that will look great. And also you can pair this up with a black skinny leggings and pair on some dainty accessories and you're good to go. Next up is this basic black bodycon top. The material is extremely soft to touch and you can wear it all day without feeling uneasy. Now this one has been through 2 wash cycles and it still looks fresh and new. It has retained its elasticity and color. And that is why I love the basics from H&M because the quality is top notch and you are not even paying all that much. Also, these are gonna last you for a really long time. You can throw on a fancy blazer over this and that will be a very nice formal look. In winters, you can use this as a layering piece. Just wear a scarf over it, then you can wear a jacket or trench coats and that will be a great look. And for the current weather, you can wear this top all by itself. It will still be comfortable even though you're wearing a black top. Next up, I have this basic v-neck jersey top. This is also from the H&M basics collection and it is also in the size XL. If you are a fan of airy and breezy tops, then you're gonna love this one. The fabric is very lightweight. Actually, it's a little too light for my liking. When it was delivered, I fell in love with the way it looked on me. The silhouette of the top was flattering the curves of my body and it instantly became my favorite. And I decided that I'm gonna wear it everywhere. But just after one wash, it has turned into a total disappointment. As you can see that it has lost all its sheen and elasticity. And I can't really wear it outside anymore. So I'm not really happy with this purchase, but on the brighter side, I feel this will make a very comfortable sleepwear. I am the way you're Ooh, here comes one of my favorite clothing piece from the entire haul. 50 रुपया cut overacting की वजह से. I bought this from the stores and the moment I saw it, I knew I had to get this one, and this is a very beautiful olive green dress. I think I have a weakness for this color. Just have a look at this. What I like the most about this dress is its square neckline. I have been seeing these types of tops and dresses all over Instagram nowadays. I'm a huge fan of square necklines and puffed sleeves. I feel they give you a very chic and feminine look. This dress falls a little above my knees, and about the fabric I can't really explain what type it is, but I just can tell you that it is completely opaque and it's quite thick. You can style this dress with knee-high boots and throw on a pair of golden dainty jewelry with a matching gold or rose gold watch. I can actually imagine this look in my head and it looks amazing. Actually, now that I think about it, I feel this is a versatile piece and you can style it in multiple ways. You can throw on a statement necklace and wear a pair of black heels or any contrast colored heels. Funny story that this was the last piece when I saw this in the store, and it is also not in my size. It is in the size XXL and it fits a little loose on me. Then I tried this on and I was blown away by how cute it looked on me, and then I decided आज कुछ खरीदूं या नहीं, I'm gonna buy this one चाहे कितने की भी हो. Then I looked at the price tag and it was on freaking sale. I got this 14.99 ka dress for mere 5.99 rupees, and I feel that's a total steal deal. We are over to our next top, which is this lilac oversized t-shirt. I already spoke about my love for this color with you guys. Just look at this and tell me, how can you not like this? How can you not buy this one? Other than the color, there is nothing special about this one. This is just a basic oversized t-shirt which you can wear all day without feeling uncomfortable. I wore it the other day when I went to Banerghatna National Park, and dude, it was comfortable. And how? Like, is it how guys feel all the time? I'm so jealous. I can live in this t-shirt all day without feeling clumsy, and the quality is good too. It runs a little oversized. Earlier when I ordered it, I got this in the size XXL, but it was too loose for me. Then I got it in the size medium and now it fits me well. Okay, these come in multiple colors. You can check H&M's website what colors are available. I think they have white, black and beige and grey. If you are new to H&M Basics range, do try them out. You're gonna love them. Okay, so we are on to the bottoms, and I have two bottom wear in this haul. Actually, I have two of the same. Yes, I'm that crazy that I bought one more piece of the same one, although I have never done that before.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm talking about this black legging. And again, this is very comfortable. It is skinny and it hugs your body and curves at the right places, and it makes them look great. The fabric is breathable and graceful, but it's not very thick and uncomfortable like some other leggings I have used. I love the full length of these leggings. Actually, I don't like to wear the ankle length leggings all the time. Funny story, this legging is the entire reason why my haul is this huge. I bought these leggings around 2 months back and I loved it so much that I went for another one, and I ended up buying many more clothes. Then I have this cute blue and white printed crop top. This is also in the size XL, and I guess this was also the last piece available in the store. I was looking for a size down, but it was on a massive discount, so I couldn't ignore it even though it was not in my size. Now that I think of it, I have grabbed a lot of last pieces. Nonetheless, they all are good, and I feel I'm lucky that I've got my hands on them. You already know my love for square necklines and puffed sleeve, and this one has it both, so I had to get it. I think this is also one of my favorites. Another detail about this top is that it has elasticated bottom, so it cinches around your waist, which makes it look cuter. I bet you can't guess the price for this cute little piece. I bought this one only and only for 299 rupees. And this is why you should buy from H&M when they have a sale going on, because at that time you get some amazing deals and discounts so that you can save more money and buy more clothes. Then I have this very soothing powder blue jumper. It is also in the size XL, and I got this for 6.99, 7.99, something around that price. I gravitate a lot towards pastel colors like sage green, powder blue, lavender, and my mom always complains that my purane kapde le aayi. But honestly, I feel these are such trendy pieces that you can just throw on a pair of denim or black leggings and you're good to go. Please bear with me, guys. I know this is a winter appropriate outfit, but I bought this around 1.5 to 2 months back, and that time it was cold here in Bangalore. I have worn it outside and it kept me sufficiently warm and cozy, but it is not as warm as the lavender hoodie. Next up, I have this buttoned up black cardigan. I feel everybody should own one such piece because it's very versatile and you can use it as a layering piece, wear it over a top or maybe a dress, or wear it all by itself and it's gonna look good. The material is ripped and knitted. I hope the camera is picking it up. You can wear it in spring when it's not too cold for a sweater and it's not too warm for a cotton dress. This is not a winter wear by any means because a cold breeze will pass right through it. This cardigan will only add a little warmth to your outfit. I paid around $8.99 for this one and I'm in the size XL. Did I tell you guys that I got a lot of basics? Because I did. And the next one is also this basic black solid top. This one has full sleeves and a round neck. I got this in the size medium and it fits me pretty well. The fabric is not very thick. Actually, it is very similar to the grey one which I got. Now, I haven't washed it yet, but I know once I wash it, it will loosen up more. Sometimes I feel like I have too many black tops, but then I see another one and then I immediately add it to my cart. The thing that stands out about this top is its price, and I paid a wholesome amount of $2.99 for this beauty. I think you don't even get half decent earrings for this price, and I felt like it was my moral obligation towards the womankind to get this one home. And we are on to our second last piece, and this is a lovely green top. It is made up of 95% recycled polyester, and I bought this from the store, and when I read up online I came to know that recycled polyester is made up of waste from plastic bottles, and I was so shocked at that. Like, how did somebody manage to make a fabric out of plastic bottles waste? It's crazy how far technology has come, and I totally support this initiative. Although when I bought this piece I didn't know about this, but next time when I visit the store I am gonna voluntarily look out for these ones. Coming to the feel of this top, the fabric is of good quality and it is stretchable, but it is not like a cheap substandard kind. It has a collared neck at the back, and at the front it falls into a deep plunging neckline, so I'm gonna wear a tube inside it. And I got this one in the size XL, and I paid $7.99 for this, which is, I feel, a great deal. Finally we are on to the last piece of clothing, and this is this brown color top. It is in the same material as the last green one. Okay, this one is also made up of 95% recycled polyester. I want to call this top brown colored, but now I feel that this is very close to green, but this looks really good. Now this is my third top, which has puff sleeves, and if you don't own one, I think you got to try one to see how it looks on you. They do add a feminine touch to your attire. I wore this one a couple of times and I also washed it once, but it still looks fresh and new. I paid, I think, $7.99 for this one as the last one, and I'm again in the size XL for this. So that is a wrap from my side. If you like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There will be a footwear and jewelry haul coming very soon on this channel. So please stay tuned and press the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any new updates. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.